Hey y'all, welcome to another Vlogmas video. And this video is going to be for all my people who like to get down in the kitchen. So if you like cooking and creating new recipes or trying new recipes, definitely give this video a thumbs up because I promise you're going to enjoy it. I got the recipe from Smoking and Grilling with AB here on YouTube, and I will link all his information in the description box, so definitely check that out. I did put the ingredients list on the screen so you can look at those, but I promise you this recipe is super easy, but it's so delicious. You have to try it. So if you do try it, or if you have tried it before, make sure you leave me a comment and let me know. All right, y'all, on to the video. All right, y'all, so I got my chicken cleaned, and yes, I do use gloves because, y'all, I hate, especially that my nails are done. I don't want like that chicken stuff under my nails and all the good stuff. So yeah, I use gloves. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I do when I'm messing around with chicken. And so y'all, I have my skillet over here. I have some olive oil in it, and I am going to let that get really hot, because what we're gonna do is I'm going to, now that I'm done cleaning my chicken, I'm gonna go ahead and season it up, and then I'm gonna sear it first in the pot here, and then I'm going to put it in the crock pot. So one of the reasons why you want to sear it is, one, the seasoning will get into the chicken and the skin really well, and the skin will adhere to the chicken too. So that's going to help it once it gets into the crock pot. So that was something that I learned. Somebody gave me that tip. So before you put the chicken in the crock pot, sear it first, and it just makes it 10 times better, y'all. So I'm going to start off with some fresh pepper, and I'm just gonna put that in here. And then next, I'm going to put a little garlic powder. And I also have this Kinder's Thai barbecue with basil, lime, and coconut. I'm gonna put a little bit in here because this is more of a with the soy sauce and stuff. I think this is gonna go really good, so I'm gonna put a little bit of this in here and just try it and see. Feel free to use whatever spices or whatever spices you like. I'll link the recipe where I got it from. I forgot the guy's name, but he does some really good stuff, and I've used his recipes before, and they always turn out really good. And then, y'all, I'm just gonna add a little bit of Tony's in there, just because I can't help it. Gotta have a little bit of Tony's. All right. So now you can see it's all seasoned, and I'm just gonna mix it up here so it can get all over the chicken. We want the chicken to be seasoned on the front, the back, the sides, everywhere. I had took my skillet off of the aisle. You can see the aisle is going right now. I took it off because it was getting too hot, but I'm about to pop it back on, because we are going to go ahead and get ready to put this chicken in here so we can sear it and then pop it in the crock pot. All right, y'all, now that we have it all, seasoned up, I'm going to take the chicken and put it in the fryer so we can sear it. All right, y'all, now that I have the chicken seared, I'm going to go ahead and put it in the crock pot. I already rinsed this out and everything. Make sure it was clean. So we're just going to place the chicken in the crock pot now. Alright, y'all, so all of the chicken is in the crock pot now, and now we're going to add in the rest of the ingredients. Alright, y'all, now I'm about to go ahead and mix up the sauce. So one of the reasons why I chose this recipe is because it's super easy, super simple. And so all you need is ketchup, soy sauce, honey, and some minced garlic, or you could use fresh garlic if you want to. I already had minced garlic, so I'm just going to use what I have. And you're going to do a half a cup of each. You're going to do a half a cup of ketchup, a half a cup of soy sauce, a half a cup of honey, and then 1 tablespoon of the garlic, or you can just use your 1 or 2 garlic cloves if you're going to use fresh. So I'm going to put them all in here so I can mix them up and then pour it in the crock pot. So we're going to do a half a cup of ketchup. That in there. A half a cup of the soy sauce. We're going to do a half a cup of honey. Put that in there. And I am going to scrape this out, but first I want to go ahead and get my garlic in there. So I'm going to do, and I'm dropping it. It's okay. We're going to clean that up. And now I'm just going to use this spoon to get all of the extra. Cup. Okay. And then we're going to mix it up really good and combine it. And now we're just going to pour this over the chicken. Y'all, it smells so good. It smells so good. So this is what it looks like over the chicken. And I'm about to pop the top on. Now, the recipe says to cook this for 4 hours on high. So I'm gonna put this on high. And then I'm also gonna go ahead and put the top on. So just wanted to show y'all what it looks like before. And then I'll come back and show y'all what it looks like when it's done. All right, y'all, so the timer went off on the chicken, so I'm just reporting back. I done cleaned up and took a shower and all the things, so let's take a look to see what this chicken is looking like. All right, y'all, so I have not opened this since I closed it. It's super hot, so I'm going to be careful, especially with me holding this. All right, here we go. It looks good. I'm gonna give it a stir. Let me go get a spoon. It's super tender. It is falling off the bones. And you can see the chicken there, y'all. This chicken looks so good. I think I'm gonna try this little piece here that just fell off. It's gonna be my taste test piece of chicken. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna do a quick little taste test. Y'all seen the little piece of chicken that I pulled. Here it is. Gonna taste it. Y'all. First of all, that piece of chicken just melted in my mouth like it's gone. It just melted in my mouth. The flavors are so good. Oh my God. That chicken is excellent. And I know it's gonna be even better once that once the liquid gets a little thick. I am gonna put little cornstarch in it to make it like a little gravy, so it can thicken up a little bit. But other than that, y'all, that chicken is spot on. I will leave the recipe or the link to both of the recipes that I used. Now for the chicken, I did use and changed up my seasoning a little bit. So you can do the same with yours as well, or you can follow it to the T. But y'all, that chicken is delicious. But if y'all are looking for some recipes for Christmas, some Christmas dinners, maybe you're having some dishes that you need to cook and bring to a potluck or something like that, and then that was my first time cooking that Crockpot chicken, so it came out delicious. And y'all, it's so tender. The meat just melted in my mouth. It's crazy. So I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Very different from some of the other videos I've done. This is the first time I think I've actually cooked with y'all. So if y'all like this video, do your girl a favor and make sure you give it a thumbs up, share it, and check out some of the other recipes on his channel as well. I can't think of his name right now, but y'all probably already see him or have already watched him before because he's pretty popular. I just can't think of his name right now. I think it's Cooking with AB or Smoking, Grilling with AB, something like that. Y'all don't have me lying. Anyway, I'm about to sit down and call it a night. I hope you guys are enjoying these Vlogmas videos, and I will see y'all tomorrow for the next one. Bye. Make sure you stick around for tomorrow's video. I'll be showing you part 2 to the cooking video. So today was the crock pot chicken. Tomorrow is going to be the fried cabbage and cornbread. So don't miss it.